Hi. In this video we're going to go over the process of attesting Spanish documents for use in the UAE. If you're planning to move from Spain to the UAE, understanding document attestation is crucial. It's the process of authenticating documents issued in one country for use in another. The attestation process involves multiple steps before documents can be used in the UAE. We'll take you through the process step by step and at the end provide a quick and easy solution. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Step 1. Notarization. Have your documents verified by a registered Spanish notary public to certify them as genuine. Step 2. Translation. Next, translate any Spanish documents into English for processing in the UAE. Step 3. Apostille. Then, obtain an apostille certificate from the Spanish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, which verifies the document. Step 4. The UAE Embassy. Have your documents consular stamped by the UAE Embassy in Madrid. Step 5. UAE Ministry of Foreign Affairs Attestation. Finally, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the UAE will validate all previous steps before issuing their stamp. This completes the process and you're ready to go. Is there a simpler solution to this complex process? Yes, Vital Certificates can assist you in the entire attestation process. As document attestation experts, we attest documents daily. We know all the ins and outs of the attestation process of Spanish documents for the UAE. Our services include document collection, notarization, translation, apostille, embassy and MOFA attestation. We can even help if you're already in the UAE, you just need to send your documents to our Dubai office. If you have Spanish documents needing attestation for the UAE, contact us today. We'll simplify the process for you so it's hassle-free. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for your document attestation needs, and if you found any information useful, please leave us a like and think about subscribing for future updates. And if you have any questions you can leave us a comment and we'll get back to you.